Which is to say the introduction of the iPhone and social media and all of, call it Web 2, this is the question to you. It did not move the productivity needle. Is that correct?
It did not move the productivity needle. For businesses, we might have our personal life got better, but in businesses, it still takes 5.1% to produce $1 million. That hasn't changed. Yeah.
That's a staggering realization, actually.
Try.
Because I would say there's this kind of, I get choked up when I think about it. There's this kind of almost delusion of productivity, right? The fact that we've got our iPhone, we're going to bed with these devices by our beds. We wake up, we look at them first thing in the morning. I'm sure the implicit rationale, even though none of us would say it this way, is we're being far more productive. We're producing far more value. But what you just said, since 2008, the amount of kind of dollars per capita productivity have not improved despite all of the advances to our quote unquote productivity suite. Is that right?
That's correct.